Go to Windows search bar, type Python. On the right side, click on Open File Location. Right click and click on Open File Location again. From here, copy the path. Go to Windows search bar again. Type Edit the system environment. Click and open it. Click on Environment Variables. Search and click on Path. Click on Edit. Click on New. Paste the path. Click on OK. Now go again on that Python folder. Click and open Scripts. Copy the path. Click on Path again. Now click on Edit. Click on New. Paste the path. Now click on OK. Now go to Windows search bar and type CMD. Right click Run as administrator. Now type Python -- version. And now you'll get it. That's it. Thanks for watching.